Good day to you. My name is Moses Elijah, and this is the Bincom Hackathon June 2023 slide. The focus of this quarter hackathon is hacking GPT. Build the next big thing with GPT in 24 hours or less. So, this is the primary focus. This event is hybrid. That means it's divided into two categories. We have the virtual and we have the physical event. So this is the virtual section. At the same time, at different time zones, similar event is happening in London as well as in Yaba, Lagos State, Nigeria. So what is the Bincom Hackathon competition event? The Bincom Hackathon event is a quarterly innovation focused competition that brings together individuals across multiple career tracks, primarily tech careers, with various skill sets to ideate, innovate, and create solutions for real life users leveraging on technology. So, how does it work? The Bincom Hackathon competition is all inclusive, taking into consideration various career paths and skill sets, primarily from tech careers, focused on building real-life applicable solutions, leveraging on technology. Participants from different fields will be divided into teams between 2 to 5 members. The job of the team created is to create a tech-enabled solution that will solve at least one problem. Each team will be judged on specific criteria leading to the creation of an MVP, a minimum viable product. All interested participants grouped into teams should register their team name on or before June 3rd, 12 p.m. West African time. Else, they'll forfeit their participation in the competition. Prototypes built with relevant code base on the GitHub repository should be submitted on or before June 3rd, 7 p.m. West African time. After this, no more submission. After submission, evaluation process takes place in 3 phases. Firstly, community judges review each section. Each of the feedback that have come in from the teams will be reviewed by the community judges, out of which top 5 innovations get selected. The top 5 is subjected to public vote, that is feedback across social media platforms. And the primary platform for this public voting is the Bincom Dev Center LinkedIn social media channel. From the public vote, top 3 get selected and advance to the final judging review, after which the winning team gets announced. What does it involve? All participants are expected to register for the event on bincom.net/hackathon. Participants are expected to join the respective virtual check-in sections, but it's not all compulsory though. Participants are required to form teams, and each team will be cross-functional, with each team comprising of at least 2 members. All teams must register their team name and team members before the team registration deadline, which is June 3rd, 12 p.m. West African time. Each team must choose from a range of problems addressable with technology. Each team members are to ensure that the solutions provided are in line with the objectives of the hackathon. Each team should note that the solution will be judged based on vital judging criteria. Key things you need to take note of. 1, the core idea should be accessible in the public domain. This means anyone else in the world can run with the idea. All minimum viable products needs to be submitted strictly at the scheduled time. All teams will be required to build a functional tech-enabled solution. Pitch deck and video demos of the solution must be made, not more than 3 minutes. All code and prototype must be in the public domain, linked to a working solution of the idea must be shared as well. It is important to note that the shared initiative should not have any private vested interest. So, how do you choose a team? There are key factors you can take into consideration to choose a team. Number one, evaluate your strength, know your competence. Interact with participants by sharing initiative. Ensure to rename your Zoom name when you join the Zoom section. Connect and link up together your name and your skill set. An example there is James King, hyphen developer, web or mobile app. Connect through the Slack channel, the Hackathon channel on the Bincom Tech Network platform with individuals having complementary skills to the project in view. Ensure to have the following skills on your team: a product, project, and business manager, a developer, as well as a designer. What should your solution contain? Fully functional code base, ease of use features, a practical demo, originality in design, creativity in user access, innovative in usage, simplistic in user access, scalable with increased capacity to accommodate more users, presentation clarity, tailored specifically to solve recognized problems, adaptability to GPT model. What then is the judging criteria? One, the strength of the idea account for 30%, and this is focused on originality, creativity, relevance of solution, scalability, and ease of use. Working solution prototype with clear presentation account for 50%, and this should include strategy involved, presentation, workflow, and clearly articulated work plan. Lastly, teamwork accounts for 20%. So we have the public voting phase. How do you do it? The top 5 selected will be posted on our LinkedIn channel. Individuals are to reach out to their network and to their friends as much as possible, and individuals far and wide to comment on their prototype or solution posted on our LinkedIn channel. It is important to know that constructive comments, whether positive or negative, will count for the public voting. So please don't use words like good, nice, great solution. We need more details with respect to the usability of the prototype shared. What we expect from you: timely delivery, adherence to the hackathon rules, submission as at when due, a short 2 to 3 minute video explaining your solution, public link to the full working solution for people to try out, public link to your code repository for others to collaborate in the future. So these are the rules and regulations. Take note of them. Your solution must be developed and functional. Any programming language, including no-code solutions, may be used. Solutions must be hosted and usable by the community judges. The solution must add value to the current existing market. Presentations must be clear on the value the solution creates. The presentation must be clear on the problem your solution solves for the prospect. Your solution must at least use one generative AI tool. Tools like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Bird, and others in the same category are allowed. Presentation must be cleared on how AI tools are used. Solution must be built end-to-end within the 24 hours period allocated. Existing plugins and their models may be used. However, the core concepts must be demonstrated. So this is the hackathon timeline. The Bincom Hackathon event kicks off June the 2nd. We have the first team virtual check-in at 11 a.m. to 12 noon BST or West African time. Team registration deadline ends by 12th of June 2023 at 12 noon BST. Please do note that all team names should be registered at the set time. Product submission virtual check-in event, the second check-in section. This takes place between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. BST. Product submission deadline. The deadline for submitting your initiative and its working principle is 7 p.m. BST, June the 3rd. All right. So now that you've listened so far, what is neat for you? An active competition with real-life projects to work on, opportunity for resource network building, a direct path to startup development. This hackathon serves as a resource means to build your portfolio. It presents you an opportunity to learn and improve in-demand tech skills. It also presents you the opportunity to jumpstart your career as a techie. It provides to you the opportunity to join a growing tech community with over thousands of talent and much more. So, who should join? Programmers, designers, tech enthusiasts, creators, tech professionals, entrepreneurs, freelancers, business developers, and everyone interested. How you can participate? You can join in as a participant, as a community judge, or as an observer. As a participant, you have a 24 hours to build a new digital solution based on generative AI solutions with your team. The team will need people with technical skills. No code also counts. However, you do not need technical skills to participate in the team. In fact, your team will need people with non-technical skills as well. Join forces with fellow visionaries, developers, project managers, business analysts, designers, and other tech talents to transform groundbreaking ideas into real-world solutions. As a community judge, you will have the opportunity to review all submissions and provide your feedback and ratings. Your ratings will be an input to determine the winners. As an observer, you are just an onlooker. So this is the activity timeline. Kick off the event June 2nd, which of course have the participatory introductory section and grouping. The first virtual check-in section, June 3rd by 11 a.m. West African time. This is focused on ensuring participants have registered their teams before the deadline, 12 p.m. West African time. Second virtual check-in section, still June 3rd by 6 p.m. West African time. Focused on team product submission before the deadline by 7 p.m. West African time. Same date. The community judge evaluation, selecting the top 5 products with kickoff from June 3rd to the 5th, 2023. And then we have the public voting from June 6th to the 8th. After which, from the public voting, the top 3 will be shortlisted. Then the winner announcement from the second phase of the community judging criteria will take place and be announced by Friday, 9th of June. Breakout section. Introduction of each team members, understanding work process within the team, understand what needs to be done, and ask questions. Quick brainstorm of ideas. Ensure all team members have joined the Slack channel, and for easy communication, team members can have WhatsApp group to follow up on their progress and follow up on their ideation process. This is with respect to the Zoom breakout section, carried out during the breakout section. Over the course of the section, individuals are asked to maintain communication within the Bincom Tech Network channel. It's very important you are actually there, and it's very important that you follow through with this. Frequently asked question: can I submit a project I have already been working on? All projects must be started and completed during the hackathon. Pre-exceeding project or code will not be accepted. However, you're welcome to use your previous experience and ideas as inspiration for your hackathon project. What are the judging criteria? There are 3 judging phases. In the first phase, project will be judged based on their innovation, technical complexity, design impact, and presentation. The exact criteria will be shared for the selection of the top 5 solutions. In the second phase, we have the public voting process. Please take note of these vital links for ease in follow-up from your end. We have the Hackathon registration link, we have the team name registration link, and we have the product submission link. For those who are yet to get into the Bincom Tech Network channel, this is a link for you to access the channel. And for all Zoom virtual section, you have the link listed out there. Thank you for watching.